Let's get you the latest updates also on the farmers' protest. Rather dramatic developments that took place late last night as a masked man was nabbed by the farmer unions, the protesting farmers, claiming that he had a conspiracy to go ahead and target union leaders. The masked man, who had earlier alleged conspiracy to kill farmers, has now made a U-turn, claiming that he was abducted by farmers and then forced to lie. This man that you see on your screens, the alleged conspirator, he has been identified as Yogesh, and he gave this statement to the Haryana police, and a video that's been shared by the police in which the man is saying that the farmers had thrashed him, hanging him upside down. The person in that video also claimed that after beating him black and blue, the farmers forced him to drink alcohol and coerced him to give a false statement to the media during the press conference. The protesting farmers, according to him, also threatened him, saying he will be killed and that no one will know about it. At a press conference at the Singhu border late last night, Yogesh was paraded by the farmer leaders in front of the media. He then went on to state in that press conference that his accomplices and he were allegedly asked to pose as policemen and kill 4 farmer leaders during the Republic Day tractor rally. The accused was interrogated by the Haryana police. So now you see that there are a lot of claims, a lot of counterclaims that are coming to the fore.
उन्होंने मुझे लेके गए, उन्होंने फिर मुझे कैंप में ले जाके उन्होंने पहले मुझे मारा, काफ़ी मारा, पैंट वैंट उतार के काफ़ी मारा, फिर मुझे ट्रॉली में उल्टा लटका के बेल्टों से मारा। फिर उन्होंने अगले दिन उन्होंने मेरे से ये कहा जो हम बोलेंगे वो करेगा। मैंने कहा ठीक है सर। जो वहाँ पे 2-4 लड़के हैं उन्होंने मुझे काफ़ी मारा था, इतना ज़्यादा कि दारू पिला के। फिर वो आगे गया, आगे जाके उन्होंने ये कहा कि योगेश जैसे हम तेरे को बोलेंगे तेरे को प्रेस के आगे वहाँ बोलना है। तो काफ़ी सारे साथ थे। फिर मैंने एक वहाँ पे स्टोरी बनाई कि मुझे भाई पुलिस वाले ने ऐसे बोला कि भाई प्रदीप SHO राय थाने का ऐसे ऐसे बोला मुझे।
And listen in to exactly what this masked man Yogesh said last night during the press conference when he claimed that he was part of a conspiracy and that he was paid money to target farmer union leaders.
हमारा प्लान ये था कि जो से होगी, जैसे 26 तारीख को बढ़ने की कोशिश करेंगे, तो पहले जो लाइन होगी उसमें क्या होगा, जैसे जो गन चलाएगा, जो सबसे पहले दिल्ली पुलिस इनको रोकने की कोशिश करेगी, जो गन चलाएगा सर, वो ये होगा कि पहले हम शूट करेंगे, पहले रोकने की कोशिश करेंगे। अगर ये बाई चांस नहीं रुकते तो इन पे शूट होने का ऑर्डर है। जो 26 तारीख को जो रैली होगी उसमें से आधी, जो 26 तारीख को होगी उसमें से आधी लोग घर के होंगे जो पुलिस की वर्दी में होंगे, इनको तितर बितर करने के लिए। 4 लोगों की फ़ोटो दे दी गई है और जो हमें सिखाता है वो प्रदीप सिंह है, राय थाने का SHO है वो।
So this was the statement that this man made during that press conference late last night at the Singhu border after he was reportedly apprehended by the protesting farmers. However, the video now that's been released by the police, the masked man in this video then goes on to state that he was forced into making this kind of a statement, claiming there's a conspiracy. He claims that he was beaten up, assaulted, threatened by the farmers. Interestingly, there's another aspect to this. In that press conference that this masked man, this alleged conspirator made, he had spoken of an SHO of the Rai police station in Haryana, Sonipat. He said that it was this SHO who had in fact was the mastermind of this entire conspiracy, the main conspirator of the plan. He named the SHO as Pradeep. What we found, however, is that this post is held by a person called Vivek Malik for the last 7 months. We spoke to this SHO. Here's what he said.
अभी प्रेस कॉन्फ्रेंस में एक आरोप लगाया गया किसान जो सिंघू बॉर्डर पर, उसमें प्रेस कॉन्फ्रेंस में एक लड़का बोल रहा है कि SHO प्रदीप जो है उन्होंने मुझे पैसे दिए, उन्होंने किसान आंदोलन में जो है वो किसान नेताओं को गोली मारने के लिए कहा था।
आप कौन बोल रहे हो?
मैं आज तक न्यूज चैनल से बोल रहा हूँ। तो ये जो आरोप लग रहा है SHO राई ने साजिश रची, उस लड़के को सिंघू बॉर्डर भेजा किसानों के बीच जी, तो इस पे क्या कहना है आपका? तो ये प्रदीप कौन है? मतलब अगर आपने पता इंक्वायरी की, चूंकि SHO राई आप हैं।
जी, मैं नहीं जानता, मेरे पास मेरे स्टाफ में कोई प्रदीप नाम का सिपाही भी नहीं। हाँ, ये है पिछले 7.5 महीने से राई हूँ। मैं सिर्फ पुलिसिंग करता हूँ, पुलिसिंग के सिवाय एक्स्ट्रा जो वर्क है मैं उनकी तरफ बिल्कुल मेरा कोई ध्यान नहीं है।
नहीं तो आपको जब नाम ये SHO राई है तो आपको फोन आए, आपको लोगों ने पूछा कुछ?
नहीं, मेरे पास फोन नहीं। आपका फोन आया जो आए, मैं बैठे हैं भैया, हमको चोर थोड़ी है कि भाग के जाएंगे कहीं अगर मैंने कुछ गलत किया है, अपना रोल है ही नहीं है।
So that is the SHO coming out to state that he was completely surprised when he heard his name being taken up, saying that he doesn't have anyone in his police station called Pradeep. His name is Vivek Malik. So who is this SHO that this alleged conspirator, this masked man, was referring to? I want to take this across now to Ashutosh Mishra, who's joining us live from Singhu border with more details. Ashutosh, this is getting murkier by the hour. There's a video now of this masked man, Yogesh, now coming out to say that he was threatened, he was assaulted, and he was forced to make this statement about a conspiracy. Can you get us a sense of the kind of reactions that this video is receiving from the farmer unions and the protesting farmers?
The farmers union, because they are going to meet the Delhi police at 1 o'clock. This is regarding the tractor parade that's scheduled on the Republic Day. But indeed, the farmers union many of them have seen this video that has surfaced. And now the first reaction that has come, which is of course not official yet, though I'm speaking on camera. But now what they started talking about, that when he was with them, when their volunteers caught them, he spoke something else against the police, against naming few officials, that how he was paid to create a chaotic situation at the protest site at Singhu border, and also even to kill 4 farmers. And now since he's under police custody, he's exactly contradicting his own statement that he made few hours ago. So clearly now, because he's with the police, he's saying what that suits the police system. When he was with farmers, he was speaking completely opposite. So clearly the farmers will likely to take a stand and make a statement at around 2 p.m. on this development. But clearly this is getting murkier just ahead of the Republic Day, when we are seeing the farmers are preparing for the tractor parade. Of course, several rounds of talk on the farm laws that have been inconclusive with the government. But this kind of development that's taking place, that's indeed shocking everyone. Akshita.
It's he said, she said battle, and the interrogation is currently underway of the accused. He's first said that this is a conspiracy to target farmer unions. Then the second version that he's put out is that he was coerced to make that statement. We'll await more reactions on this, but Ashutosh, for the moment, thank you for joining us.
Hi everyone, Preeti Chaudhary here. Hope you like this video. For latest news and analysis, like and subscribe to the India Today YouTube channel. And don't forget to press the bell icon to stay updated. Thank you for watching.